హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము సోషల్ పార్ట్ బి విత్ ఆన్సర్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇండియన్ స్టాండర్డ్ మెరిడియన్ ఈజ్ 82 degrees 30 minutes west longitude. Identify the correct pair. Kuhad Bandi ban of felling trees is the correct pair. Immediate cause for First World War is assassination of Austrian prince. National Voters Day is celebrated on 25th January. An example of Korsal Serel is Jowar. The present chairman of Rajya Sabha is Jagdeep Dhankar. The reason for the decline of soil fertility is excessive usage of chemical fertilizers. Match the following and choose the correct answer. Swarnabhumi International Airport is at Bangkok, Kempegaundu International Airport is at Bengaluru, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is at Hyderabad, Indira Gandhi International Airport is at Delhi. So correct option is 1D, 2A, 3B, 4C. Arrange the following in a chronological order. First one will be atomic bombing on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which is in 1945. Later, American Civil Rights Movement, Mira Paibi Movement. Then last is Bhopal gas tragedy. The cause for the Quit India movement was failure of Cripps mission. Find the correct matched pair. Neil Armstrong went to moon. Bulk of the rainfall of the Coromandel coast is derived from depressions and cyclones. Mining is related to this economic activity, agriculture. Which of the following state has banned the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides? Sikkim. The historical significance of 1956 20th February was Gentleman's Agreement. Which among the following was not a demand of the Royal Indian Navy strike? Better climatic conditions. The perennial rivers originated from the range of Greater Himalayas. This is not a greenhouse gas. Oxygen is not a greenhouse gas. The officer in charge of a constituency level to conduct elections is returning officer. This was treated as an internal colony, Assam. We'll discuss social studies part B now. First question, Babar and Terai are the names of mountains. Russia and Turkey were tried to get domination on this sea, Black Sea. Present Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandra. Arrange in sequence order. Mango showers, southwest monsoon, western disturbances, northeast monsoons. Option is A. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are in order. Present Lok Sabha Speaker is Om Birla. The main reason for low calorie intake is lack of purchasing power. For liberating Bangladesh, India had war with Pakistan. The Communist Party of India had called the World War II as People's War. The reason for using the symbols in election is illiteracy. Example of physical capital is tractors. Identify the correct statement related to Indian president. Indian president is the head of the union. These were formed after the First World War. Versailles of Treaty, League of Nations. Three principles of Sun Yat-sen were nationalism, democracy, and socialism. Reducing restrictions on foreign investment and foreign trade is liberalization. The first Asia-African conference paved the way for non-aligned movement. The demand of Jai Andhra movement is removal of Mulki rules. The first 5-year plan were given importance to both agriculture and industries. Silent Valley is located in Western Ghats. Identify the correct state sentence. Gross domestic product is the value of final goods and service. Tributary of Indus River is Ravi. We will discuss social studies part B answers. First one, identify the wrongly matched pair. Mega cities Delhi, towns Chennai, cities Secunderabad, metropolitan Hyderabad. So Chennai is town is a wrong statement. The following is an international aerotropolis outside India. Swarnabhumi International Airport is an international aerotropolis outside India. It is in Bangkok, Thailand. Third question, the leader of Chipko movement is Sundarlal. Census is conducted by, so always the census is conducted by the Registrar General and Commissioner of India. Endosulfan is so it is a pesticide. An example of trade barrier is, so example of barrier is tax on imports. BMI it is used to measure nutrition status. So minimum support price is given to what? So it is given to farmer. The first non-Congress Prime Minister was VP Singh. 10th question. Arrange the following in chronological and small to big order. So correct option is A. Match the following and choose the correct pair. So D is the correct option. Among the following, choose the correct statement. Operation Burger prevents landlords from forcibly throwing. In 1971 general elections, Congress party won majority of seats because of Garibi Hataao. The result of emergency declared in India in 1975 was suspension of fundamental rights. The main source of irrigation for Telangana farmers during Telangana agitation was canals. The present Speaker of Lok Sabha is B. Om Birla. This is the third world country, America. The present Education Minister of Telangana is Sabita Indra Reddy. This is not a factor of production. So bank is not a factor of production. Ranboxy produces, we all know it produces medicines. An organization formed after the Treaty of Versailles is United Nations. Eric Hobsbawm mentioned the 20th century as the age of extremes. The race between the European countries for imperialism. This is not characteristics of economic depression. So falling in the demand for goods is a characteristics of depression. A decrease in people purchasing power is also characteristic of depression. Falling in price కూడా depression లో ఉంది. But a decrease in unemployment అనేది wrong, not character. So answer is C. An announcement by the President of the United States to recover from economic depression is it's a new deal. Correct option A. The four main requirements identified by the Gomin Dong party is food, cloth, house, water. These are the four priorities given by the this party. A river for a river flowing in Nigeria is Niger. Movement in Bengal to increase the share of the cultivated production by two-thirds is called. So I'm not able to figure the answer, students. If at all you know the answer, please write in the comment section. Ninth question, the person who give in charge the responsibility of merging the princely slate. So అది ఎవరు అంటే సర్దార్ పటేల్. This is not a characteristics of the Constitution of India. Presidential form of government. ఇది US లో ఉంది presidential form of government. ఇండియాలో లేదు. So correct option C. It is not there. ఇంకో question paper. A factor not considered in the Human Development Index. So you need to answer this question also in the comment section, students. Please help us. The southern tip of the peninsular plateau is Kanyakumari. Option B. The literacy rate is calculation age is for 7 years. So literacy rate calculate చేసేది 7 years అప్పుడు. The following is not a feature of unorganized sector. సో అష్యూర్డ్ వర్క్ అనేది నాట్ అ ఫీచర్ ఆఫ్ అన్ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ సెక్టర్. ఎందుకంటే అన్ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ సెక్టర్ అంటే వర్క్ ఉండదు, అంటే లేబర్స్ లాగా ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ ఉండదు, సరిగ్గా జీతాలు ఉండదు, సెక్యూరిటీ ఉండదు, బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉండవు. ఇవన్నీ అన్ఆర్గనైజ్ సెక్టర్లు. అష్యూర్డ్ వర్క్ ఇట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ అన్అష్యూర్డ్ వర్క్ అంటూ చెప్పాలి. సో కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ అన్ఆర్గనైజ్ సెక్టర్కి. హైయెస్ట్ పీక్ ఇన్ సౌత్ ఇండియా ఇస్ అనైమోడి. మెగా సిటీ అమంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. సో హైదరాబాద్, అహ్మదాబాద్, చెన్నై, ముంబైలో మెగా సిటీ ముంబై. ఫ్యాక్టర్ అన్రిలేటెడ్ టు పాపులేషన్ చేంజ్ ఈస్ 6 రేషియో. చిరాయ్ బండి మీన్స్ బ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీ గ్రేజింగ్. Largest river in the peninsular river is Godavari River. Telangana Assembly constituency which has recently become a topic of discussion, Dubbaka. ఇంకో పేపర్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు వెస్ట్ కోస్ట్, సర్కార్ కోస్ట్. ఇవన్నీ వెస్ట్ కోస్ట్, కెనరా కోస్ట్, ఉత్కల్ కోస్ట్, కోరమండల్ కోస్ట్, ఇవన్నీ వెస్ట్ కోస్ట్. సర్కార్ కోస్ట్ మాత్రం కాదు. సదర్న్ మోస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఈజ్ ఇందిరా పాయింట్. The landmass which has three sides of water and one side land is called, we call it as peninsula. Fishing belongs to which sector? Primary agriculture sector anochu, primary sector anochu. Fishing is a primary sector. Which of the following is not a intermediary object? Husk. A plateau which is rich in mineral resources is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Correct option C. Inland river is Luni. Option D is the correct. That represent the country's total national income is gross domestic income. Gross domestic income అనేది country's total income. Over the past 50 years, the share of which sector has been steadily decreasing? Of course, agriculture. Service sector ఏమో increase అవుతుంది, agriculture sector ఏమో decrease అవుతుంది students. Characteristics of unorganized sector is low wages. Factories of production are owned by private individuals. It is known as. You need to answer this question also in the comment section, students. The country that used nuclear bombs in World War II is America on Japan. అమెరికా వాళ్ళు జపాన్ మీద వేసారు హిరోషిమా నాగసాకి మీద. ద కంట్రీ విచ్ వాజ్ ఎ మెంబర్ ఇన్ ద యాక్సిస్ పవర్ ఈజ్ అమెరికా కాదు, రష్యా కాదు, ఫ్రాన్స్ కాదు, ఇటలీ అది. The movement that started by Gandhiji after the failure of Cripps mission, non-cooperation movement. Who led the Indian National Army? Subhash Chandra Bose. Plan to rehabilitate countries affected by Great Depression was Marshall Plan. Election not held by the Election Commission of India is Raj Sabha elections. Consequences of Enabling Act is economic reconstruction of Germany. The main purpose of the Tibaga movement was increasing the tenants' share. That's part B, students. If this video is helpful, please give a like. Thank you. So first question, identify the wrong pair. Go through the question and try to guess the answer. So ఇక్కడ wrong pair అనేది D. Minerals, sugar, rice. Second, identify the false statement regarding Panchashil principles. 5 seconds time ఇస్తాను. Go through the answer. ఇందులో A, B, D are the actually they are Panchashil principles. Can see interference in the internal affairs of other countries. It's not the principle of Panchashil. This is not a reason for soil degradation. So answer is practicing organic farming is not a reason for soil degradation. Moving forward, fourth question. This is an example for Indian MNC. Go through the answer. Tata Motors is an example for Indian MNC. Match the following. Okay, B is the correct option. The main reason for low calorie intake in rural India is lack of markets is the correct answer. Arrange the following chronological order. అంటే చిన్న నుంచి పెద్దగా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ దాకా అని ట్రై చేయండి. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి అంటే సి. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ నాటో, తర్వాత బాండాంగ్ సమ్మిట్, ఇండియా చైనా వార్, నీల్ ఆర్మ్స్ట్రాంగ్ ల్యాండింగ్ ఆన్ ద మూన్. The right to pollution free water and air is a part of. Yes. Try to guess the answer. Right to life is the correct option for 8th question. Reasons for India Pakistan war in 1971 was over. దేని గురించి జరిగింది వారు అనేది ట్రై చేయండి. Answer is Bangladesh issue. American civil rights movements largely. 12th question, the present chief justice of Supreme Court. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి కంపల్సరీ అడుగుతారు స్టూడెంట్స్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్లో. సో అప్ టు డేట్ ఉండండి. జస్ట్ గెస్ ద ఆన్సర్. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే ధనంజయ చంద్రచూడ్. మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. సో ఇంకో మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ గ్లాన్స్. దీని కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే 1C తెలంగాణ, రేవంత్ రెడ్డి, 2D రాజస్థాన్, భంజల్లాల్ శర్మ మధ్యప్రదేశ్, మోహన్ యాదవ్ ఛత్తీస్గఢ్, విష్ణు సాయి. క్వశ్చన్, ద ఆథర్ ఆఫ్ సైలెంట్ స్ప్రింగ్ ఈస్. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే ఆప్షన్ బి. 73rd కాన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ అమెండ్మెంట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు. ఎస్. కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే లోకల్ సెల్ఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఇన్ విలేజెస్. మూవింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్, 16th క్వశ్చన్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు తెలంగాణ? Greenpeace movement is not related to Telangana. 17th question. This is an example for Nutri cereals. Correct option D. Ragi. 18th question. Cold War means. Correct option ఏంటంటే proxy war. Option B. 19th question. The first 5-year plan did not focus on. It focused on increasing food production, population control. Also, it focused building large dams, but it does not focus on development of roads and communication. Correct option D. Formula to calculate the availability of food grains for the year. Correct option ఏంటి అంటే option D. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please give a like and share with your friends. Thank you. We'll see model paper part B. The coastal region touches Goa is Malabar coast. The state which does not share the water of Tungabhadra river is Tamil Nadu. These hills are not part of Purvanchal ranges, Annamalai hills. As per 2013 National Food Security Act, which of the following is legalized? Right to food. Disguised unemployment is most common seen in agriculture. The state which banned the use of chemical fertilizers is Sikkim. Which of the following is related to public distributory system? Fair price shops. Which of the following does not belong to unorganized sector, government sector? The biggest peninsular river is Godavari River. The factor does not influence climate is longitude. By-elections are conducted for one or a few vacant constituencies. Identify the wrong statement. There was no phones in India before the telecom revolution. The movement that had developed the idea of sustainable development is Narmada Bachao Andolan. Vanta Varpu is form of protest in Telangana movement. The second 5-year plan focused on industries. This was formed as a consequences of the Treaty of Versailles, League of Nations. To fight against the British, Subhash Chandra Bose sought the help of Japan. Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Social Studies Telangana question paper for part B. In part B we have 20 questions, each question carry 1 mark, total weightage is 20 marks. Let us see what questions appeared in Social Studies part B. Pune Pact was signed by. It was signed by Gandhi and Ambedkar. An idea which promotes the unity of all African peoples irrespective of country or tribe is Pan-Africanism. The New Deal promise was a relief to the victims of. So they are the victims of economic depression. Correct option is B. An example of MNC is MNC. Indian Railways is not MNC. BSNL is not MNC. Indian Postal Service is also not MNC. Obviously, the answer is Tata Motors. Correct option is C. Read the given text and answer the following 5 and 6 questions. Underground water tables have fallen rapidly across the country, even in regions with bountiful rains and favorable natural systems of the recharge. The water tables have reached dangerously low levels. As the water tables decline, farmers have to drill deeper tube wells than before. The use of diesel or electricity for irrigation rises accordingly. So now we'll discuss the answers for fifth question. Drilling deeper tube wells leads to the increase in what? So use of electricity. Correct option is C. We'll discuss sixth question. Identify the true statement based on the given passage. So given passage, the true statement will be there is a fall in the water tables where there is a favorable natural system of recharge. So correct option is B. Seventh question. The present Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rajiv Kumar. Eighth question. The present President of India is C. Draupadi Murmu. So recently she was elected as the President of India. Which of the following is not an example of public facility? So public facility is not an example for airport. Correct option is D. Tenth question, these are considered while estimating GDP. The values of all final goods and services are considered while estimating GDP. Correct option will be B. The reason for ban in growing sugarcane and banana in Hiware Bazaar is, so the reason will be C. These crops consume more water. That is the reason why they have banned these crops. Correct option is C. 12th, match the following and choose the correct option. So correct option for this is D. Correct option for this is D. So hill station Simla, Nainital, Mussoorie are in which region? So they are in Lesser Himalaya region. So correct option for this 14th question is B. The slogan do or die is related to Fit India movement. One of the following is not related to Telangana. So it is not D. Silent Valley movement is not related to Telangana. Correct option for 16th is D. Identify the correct matched pair. So for 17th question, B is the correct option. Arrange the following in the chronological order. So correct option for 18th question will be 3, 4, 2, 1. So third one will be the first individual Satyagraha, then Cripps mission, then Quit India movement, then direct action day. Among the following, choose the correct statement. So the president of USA is elected directly by the people. So 19th question, first option is A. The reform that was not related to Jawaharlal Nehru is abolition of private purse. This is not related to Jawaharlal Nehru.